If you're somebody who is struggling with the content of Chapter 8, I will be making videos for each of the chapter closure problems so that you can see how it's worked out. I'm going to start with the closure problem 8-136. All right, so part A gives us 3 to the second times 3 to the fifth. We know, we learned in our shortcut that when we are multiplying with exponents, bases stay the same, and we add the exponents. So it would be 2 plus 5 to get 3 to the seventh. Part B, we have 4 to the fifth over 4 to the third. So remember that fraction bar means the same thing as division. And with division, we also keep our base the same. So we would have 4. Now, our shortcut for division is subtracting the exponents. So we would have 4 to the 5 minus 3, which would be 4 to the second. C, we have the quantity of 3x squared to the fourth. And if you remember, the 3, even though it does not have an exponent, it is assumed that it is 3 to the first power. That 4 outside of the parentheses distributes to my 1 and to my 2. And when we distribute that, we multiply. So we would get 3 to the fourth x to the eighth. And for my last part of 8-136, I have part D, and it is giving me 3x to the third times 7x to the fifth So what you can do for this is you can factor it out. So if you are confused what to do with this, what I would suggest is factoring it out. So my first one is 3. Remember, this is 3 times x to the third. So if I factored it out, I would have 3 times x times x times x. And here I have 7 times x to the fifth. So that means we're taking all of this and we're multiplying by 7. And x 5 times. So I would have 2 like terms here. I have my 3 and my 7. If I multiply those, remember I multiply straight across, I would have 21. And if I just look at my number of x's that are being multiplied straight across, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I should have 21x to the 8th. And that is closure problem 8-136.